What's up everybody, this is Danny and welcome to another episode of Ultimate Smart Home. And you wouldn't believe how many people that I talk to on a daily basis about building a smart home that are just completely intimidated by the process. They don't know where to start when it comes to the installation or even the research of the products. They don't understand how everything ties together, but when they see it in action in another person's house, they're secretly jealous and they really want these smart home products in their own home. If you are this person, then pay attention because me and Cox Homelife have teamed up to show you the easiest way to build the ultimate smart home. What Cox Homelife does is eliminates all the research and installation of these smart home products. So if you're a Cox Cable customer, all you do is pick the packages that make sense for you and your lifestyle, and everything is professionally installed. You also have the option to have it professionally monitored, and then you can package all this up into your internet and cable bill, which makes things extremely easy and affordable. I was impressed with what Cox Homelife had to offer. I was able to tour the demo house where they showcased their functional smart home packages, and everything you needed to get started was there, such as smart door locks, smart lighting all through the house, this really clean smart thermostat, door and window sensors, smart plugs, and so much more. All of this is controlled by the Cox Homelife app, and for people who would be intimidated by the software side of smart home integration, all the products are here in one app, so there's no need to dig through multiple apps while you can control everything individually. I did like how setting up scenes and automations were a breeze. So for example, if you wanted the lights to turn off and lock all the doors and set the thermostat to, let's say, 72 degrees before you go to sleep, you can do that all with just one button on the app, or soon you can do this with the voice command with the Contour remote. So I think that's a nice touch. Security is also a huge focus for Cox Homelife. There were 1080p cameras all throughout the home and also outside that you can access no matter where you are in the world with your iOS or Android smartphone, and all the notifications are pushed to your smartphone or this touchscreen hub that they had in the kitchen. I like how there were multiple sensors placed in some critical places that could help keep your loved ones safer by monitoring important drawers or cabinets like the ones that hold medication. So if the door is open, you would get a notification right away, and you can even set that up by text message. I really appreciated this setup because it showcased what smart home products could do for people living in the home with disabilities, and this could really help them with their day-to-day tasks. So let's say that same medication drawer is open and that person couldn't hear. There were strobe lights set up in the house so they could visually see the notification and they could see that something is wrong. This also could be applied to the rest of the smart home. So let's say a CO2 sensor was to go off, or somebody smashed a window and the window sensor goes off, or even something as simple as somebody ringing on the doorbell. They can visually see a notification if they're hearing impaired. So that's really cool. The Smart Hub also speaks the actions of what's going on. So let's say that the front door is open, it can speak that for people who are visually impaired. So chimes and spoken voice actions can also help make their lives easier. I know there are a few of you watching right now saying, why do I even need this? I can just buy everything on my own, install everything on my own, and you can totally do that. But I do appreciate where Cox Homelife is coming from here, because for you to get a fully functional smart home right off the bat, that can cost a lot of money. And that's why most smart homes are built gradually and step by step. So you can get a fully functional smart home and not pay up front. And when you package all this into your cable and internet bill, you would be surprised how affordable that this is. And also to get professional monitoring too, you put all that together and you can really see the value proposition. I'll leave a link down below for you so you can check current pricing. And even at launch, there's a lot of potential for Cox Homelife. All this runs on a Zigbee protocol, and the products offered here are quality as well, featuring quick set locks and Sanglet light bulbs. And I was even surprised at the cameras having compatibility with power over Ethernet for fast and the most reliable connection. I'm excited to see what Cox Homelife does over time with software updates and see how robust this system gets because it's built on an open protocol. And it will be nice to see these kind of services expand, because I think no matter how technologically inclined you are, that people deserve to have the ultimate smart home. So let me know what you guys think about this service. I'm gonna leave a link down below for you to check it out. So let me know what you think in the comments, and stay tuned for a lot more smart home videos, smart home tutorials, and setup tours in the future. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.